Okay, this is Cousin Vinny again. Hopefully my audio is not too distorted. I just wanted to go over a few things questions that came up today about trading. I am currently out of HAUP. We utilized the Bollinger Bands here as they ran up the upper Bollinger Band. Notice the Bollinger Band at the top as price approached, opened up, widened, and so did the bottom. It was telling me that prices were more than likely going to keep going up, as did the almost vertical stochastics. In conjunction, the MACD was looking pretty strong too. CCI was positive, and the relative strength looked really good. Now today I'm in GAME, G-A-M-E, and the reason is I started to see a few things happening. Number one, the first thing I saw was a really nice dip on the stochastics and a nice return. The Bollinger Bands here, as you know, if you know anything about Bollinger Bands, the upper 98% of the pricing is contained within the Bollinger Bands. When the Bollinger Band is tagged, typically what happens is the price moves down to the opposite Bollinger Band, moves through the median 20 EMA. As you can see, that's what happened here. I got in when we dipped on this positive candle today. I also looked at the 60-minute, 5 and 15-minute to confirm my entry. And you can see the pricing here. Oops, sorry, just need to change the chart, and we'll upload this. There we go. Okay, so now you can see stochastics on the 30-minute were compressed here, which was telling me a move was coming. The price started to approach the upper Bollinger Band, made it through the 50 EMA on the 30-minute chart, and came back, tested the 20, and then came back and started riding up the upper Bollinger Band. I actually missed this early entry, needless to say, but the volume looks good, so I got in today at 685, and I'm watching this Bollinger Bands continue to move up along with the lower Bollinger Bands. So now if these had continued to open up, this move would have been a lot faster, but the fact that this turned up and started to follow the price is telling us that the price won't move as quickly as if the reverse had happened, where this had turned down, this lower Bollinger Band. We're starting to get across the 50, the 20, and the 200, so this looks good for a further move up. I think the upper Bollinger Band is at 725 on the daily. You see relative strength really looks nice, so this looks good for a continued trade. Again, this is Cousin Vinny. Remember to take profits, and we'll talk to you soon.